After 6 kilometer of running, then 1 kilometer walking, dito na tayo sa gym park. So ito yung mga equipment. Ayan yung mga workout na pwede mong gayahin. Bar for the core strengthening. Ayan. Marami yan. So you can choose na lang what you want. Here. Para sa pag magte-training ka, mag-start ka ng pull up. Pull up, mamaya papakita ko sa iyo pull up. So ayan. A lot of things you can do here. For the dip. Yeah, that's my favorite. Dip. Yeah, this one for the core exercise. I will show you later. Okay? That's hard. This one's very hard. So i-challenge me. Hopefully soon magagawa natin yan. Okay? We will start working out. Let's go!